Hello my friends, today I'm in my garage, or rather shed, and I will be working on that bike. But actually I will be doing something special. I've got the flap valve eliminator, but actually it won't eliminate the flap valve. There will be 3 settings on that: loud, quiet and factory. I really hope it will work well. So let me get to the work and I will show you how it works. Not me, that thing. Now let me show you how it looks like on a bike. Here is the hidden thing, which is, let me show you that. See? Valve closed, valve open and factory. That's attached here, and then we've got hidden switch, which is here. So 0 is for the factory setting, 2 is for loud and 1 is for quiet. So here you go. That's how it works. And the wires are going somewhere underneath the seat. Then here, this is the wire, and then going to that thing. That's about it. So now guys, let's put it into position neutral, which is 0. And that's a factory setting. And let's start the motorcycle. So that's the factory. And that's the quiet thing. So let's take a look at that. That's the police mode. And that's the factory. That's loud. So, what do you reckon guys? I think it's lovely. It's absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's really quiet when it needs to be. If police will stop you, it will be really quiet. Factory is okay-ish. It's for everyday use, I would say. And loud is just for bike rallies and stuff like that, because it's rather loud. So, I think that works really, really well, and I'm happy with that. Well spent money. See you next time. Cheers.